Right out of the gate, I have to warn you, if you're coming to this video in hopes to find out whether you should continue holding BNGO and you're scared and you're like, Brandon, what the hell do I do? It's going down more. I'm not your mom. Make your own decision. Do what you want to do. In this video, I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking company-wise, what I'm doing with my shares, if I'm still confident, if I'm still bullish. And okay, I'm sure everybody can guess the answer of that already. So there's a couple new pieces of news today. I would say there's one big piece of news. Really, I guess you could say there's 3 or 4 pieces, but nothing crazy today. Okay, there's your warning, but this is a new SAVR adoption that we're going to go over after we talk about the new probe thing one more time. I was doing a little bit more research on the actual, on new probe itself, on their company, and I watched a fair amount of Dr. Dean's video on BNGO. He's a huge YouTuber. This is like an actually famous YouTuber, 50,000 subscribers. I guess you'd say that's famous, right? This guy is very. We're gonna watch the very like 10 to 20 seconds where he says if he likes the company. Long story short, he does. And I wanted to highlight what the new probe deal means, a little bit more of that. And I was looking at the website here, and this is just one thing. A lot of people are thinking, long read sequencing and PatBio and ARC. These guys are going to take over BNGO. They're going to start doing what we do. And I just wanted to say, all of these people right here, this management, all of these guys, they, in entering this agreement with us, what they essentially are doing is saying, no, we believe Bionano has a future. That's why we're partnering with them. I mean, why else would they make a product with us? Also, I want to reiterate, I already said this, but I have to say it again because this is, no one understands. Now, I don't think anyone understands really that I'm seeing. No one understands what this actually could mean. Okay, we're talking about one single product or one consolidation of the Sapphire plus their technology, their next generation sequencing technology. Why is that so big, Brandon? Why the hell should I care? This is why you should care. You're going to get an all-in-one package, my friends. The cytogenetic labs are going to get all-in-one option to do everything they need. Everything. You've got the next generation sequencing, and you've got Bionano. You've got a lot of stuff. And Dr. Dean's video does a better job of explaining what new probe is doing. Okay, you can go watch all that if you want, but I'll just extrapolate. To put it succinctly, I'll just say this. New probe, I mean, this should make you feel more comfortable because new probe is a big, they're a private company. They're not, I couldn't even find the freaking net worth of the top guy. So they're not, these guys are not like a mega company like Illumina, but this is a sizable, respectable company. I mean, you can just tell by the freaking website, okay? It's very simple. These guys are a respected, venerable company. They are betting on Bionano having a future by entering this deal with us. That's as simple as it gets, in my opinion. Make your own damn opinion. I'm not your mom, right? I'm not your mom. Make your own investing decisions. Okay? So, and now going to the Sapphire adoptions. This is posted September 8th. Okay, so to my understanding, this is going to be a new Sapphire adoption, and the institution is going to be Taiwan. These two institutions right here, to my understanding, or at least one of them, probably both of them, they are using a Sapphire. I'm not 100% sure if they have one before. Obviously, you can't be 100% sure, but this does look like a likely Sapphire adoption, right? How do I know this? Well, if you just go down here to provide farther long range, yada, yada, blah, blah, Bionano optical mapping is what they used. If you're going to use this Bionano Sapphire, you have to have a Sapphire. So this is how we know that this is most likely a Sapphire adoption. So that's great. Now, talking about this right here, let's go ahead and play the clip of Dr. Dean himself telling us what he thinks, right? The doctor himself, the guy who understands the science better than almost all of us, what he thinks about the company long term.
It's a testament to the technology by Bionano Genomics that this technology could potentially be important for cytogenetics and identifying different structural variations within the genome that NGS may not be able to identify as accurately. And we see this company, New Probe, that seems to have very innovative technology collaborating with Bionano Genomics. So I think that this is exciting and a testament to the technology from the Sapphire. As always, it's not medical or
boom, there you have it. So he thinks there's good things coming. He thinks it's exciting. He thinks this is a good thing, collaborating with New Probe. He likes it. He likes the institutional ownership. Okay, we're not going into institutional ownership. Okay, we've known that forever. But Dr. Dean, knowing that he does believe that good things, he didn't say it like that, good things are coming for the stock price, but he likes what he's seeing on a company perspective. And from my point of view, it's very simple. It's very simple. We're valued at we're valued at 520 right now. High growth, it's gotten even more annihilated, right? It's got even more killed than it was before. And Bionano as a company only gets better. And we may have the estimates for this is not official. This could easily change. We may have the estimates for Q3 2021 for BNGO, which is going to be earnings of 6 cents in the whole, and then your sales are going to be 4.2 million. November 11th is their reporting date. That's estimated, I'm assuming, because they have not released the date on that. Absolutely not. But that is what they are looking at. 4.2 million is what they're projecting. If we compare that to ChartMill over here, these guys are projecting. CNN Business is projecting 4.2 million, and then if we go to ChartMill for Q3, these guys are projecting a little bit, so they're 4.29, almost 4.3 million for Q3. So that's going to be 95% year-over-year growth. And again, it's just we're on our way to hitting this trajectory. We're on our way to it, and no one cares. No one cares. People looked at the last earnings report and focused on one thing, which was the EPS, which was obviously only looked bad because of the $17 million debt repayment, which is actually a good thing that we're getting rid of debt, right? It's not a huge, like, we're going to go up for it, but it's not a negative thing. But people took it as a very negative thing, and we went down in the after hours after earnings. Anyways, ranting aside, okay? Next thing. The jobs, talent acquisition coordinator. This is freaking cool, man. This is cool. Look at this primary responsibility right here. Reimbursements. Again, the reimbursement pathway of Bionanos is absolutely fundamentally key to our success, sales-wise and consumable-wise. If we don't get the FDA approval, if we don't get in the diagnostic realm, we can't unlock our true potential. Our true potential will be phenomenal. It will be remarkable, and to do that, we have to get the reimbursements in so we can start being used in diagnostics and be having a Sapphire at every single freaking PatBio machine and an Illumina machine. Wouldn't that be sweet, Kate? Maybe not everyone, but you know what I mean, right? Getting widespread adoption, which we don't have right now. Okay, so and then there's a couple other job listings. Nothing insane, nothing crazy here. I like the job listings that have a region in the name, because it just shows me that we're getting people out there that are literally trying to, as you can see, lead commercially focused customer solutions. Yeah, you drive a high-performing customer support strategy with a highly consultative, analytic, and customer-centric approach. I want more people like this, because the more people that we have like this, the more listings that we have, more likely is that, you know, there's a reason why they're putting these up. There's not a reason why they put up the China and North America and Texas and all if they put up 10 different places here like that, they wouldn't do that unless there was a reason for these people to be in that location, like the Sapphire being there in this example, because these guys are basically support. I mean, that's what they are. Customer solutions. These guys are basically a type of support for the Sapphire users, and that's beautiful, man. So I like what we're seeing here. I like what the business is doing, especially from a stock price perspective, right? From a stock price perspective, yeah, we're still over $1 billion market cap, but if you look at the technology and what the company's doing right now, I think this is a freaking bargain. That's just my opinion, though. That's just my opinion. Make your own damn opinion. All right. So with that being said, let's go with institutional ownership. Last thing, 30%, 85 million shares. I don't really know what's going on here. Okay, this could be a glitch, but somebody emailed me a picture of them their Fintel showing 55%. Don't know what's going on there, but institutional ownership is still very high. We had a couple filings yesterday, which was that we had a put, which sucks, and then we had somebody add a ton of shares, a couple 100,000 shares there. So, and with that being said, man, my plan is this: I'm holding, and here I'll show you it. There we go. I'm holding all. I have not sold one share, not one, and I'm planning on continuing holding. That's as simple as it gets. So, yeah, I'm still bullish. I still like the company. It's carnage right now, but it's, you know, I'm not gonna do the rant on why I'm not gonna justify myself holding for you. Okay, I just say I still think it's worth it to hold. For me, for someone in my position, I think it's worth it to hold. That being said, thank you so much. Now, for advice, feel free to check out Newsweek, link in the description. They are our sponsor, newsweek.com. Thank you so much. It's not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.